out yet. Flipping kinds of.
You just dropped one.
I just dropped one. Oh no! Those are all the batteries I have. Those are all the batteries I have in my pocket. How many do you have in yours?
Yeah, I have like 10 in my purse though.
Hey, Andrew! Hey, Andrew! Have you had your daily dose of shut up today?
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hey, is it okay if he cuts through the yard to go up to the park?
Everybody does it.
Thank you. Hank, he's gonna meet some of his friends up there.
We started they already.
You guys did?
We started cutting through his yard.
Yeah. And you didn't even ask, right?
No, they didn't. No, and then he got mad. He told his parents, and his parents said it was okay for us to cross through.
And you knew that, though, didn't you?
Yeah. I kept saying, oh, be cool.
Oh, I didn't mean to get sorry about that.
Yeah, we were waiting on him to call the cops, but right.
Thanks, Drew. Appreciate it. Son, hurry up and meet him up there, because we're not going to be up there that long, okay?
No, drag it. Drag it. I want to ride. Andrew! It's probably going to be too heavy.
Thanks, you guys.
Mm-hmm.
Just walk back when they come back, okay? They're going to come back through the park, all right? I'll come waiting for you, okay?
Your parents opened the door. What? Okay. I know. I'm trying to get up there. So. Come here. Yes, I'm going to if you fall, are you filming this? Yes. Okay. Come on, everybody. Dorothy! Oh! Oh, shit! Are you okay? Who laughed?
I didn't. I'm too tired to laugh.
Sprinkle!
See, I laughed.
It's going!
Oh my gosh! Get your bike. Let's go. I thought we were going to go follow him. We are?
No way.
We're some of these stalkers. Oh, we had to walk on the sidewalk. It's too slippery.
Not that slippery.
Hello. I just almost slept in my second
Andrew, we
step.
can't go that fast.
Especially not with the uncoordinated behind you.
He doesn't listen.
Especially that.
This video's gonna be super long. Probably gonna have to make it 2 parts.
Really?
I'll have to make it part 2, part 1 out of 3, or 5, or 7,
10.
15,
15.
17. Oh my gosh, math out of school. Oh my gosh.
I don't care.
Where are we going, Art?
If I go this slow, I can guarantee I won't flip.
Sweet. I'm so fat that I cracked the ice. Yeah. Oh
weren't we gonna do that for the video?
What?
Walking on ice? Yeah, you're right. You could kill some. You could die. He was walking home and he cracked the ice.
I
know you. You're mean.
One of the days
Why
that
is
you
he
didn't
mean?
come, I got my foot stuck.
One of the times that I didn't come, you got your foot stuck?
Yeah.
I didn't come to any of them. When was this?
Time that you didn't come.
Which was?
I don't know. Now, I have glass.
Not glass, it's ice.
Glass.
Ice.
Why?
Ice. Ice. Are you seriously having that? Yes, we're seriously having that conversation.
Andrew!
That is ice. Glass is on windows. Not glass, it's ice. That is ice.
Why is my sister here?
I don't know, okay?
She needs to get her own effing life.
Mommy, he said that word.
Like what?
I'm not repeating it. Emo! Emo! Andrew, I'm gonna go wear your little, snow thingy, stud thingy.
If any of you try
To trade me, I will cut your throat open.
Yeah.
Okay?
What?
Right here.
Better watch.
Come on, let's go back to his house.
Holy shit.
Come on, everybody. Go, start.
Let's go, let's circus!
Circus Rob.
I like that!
Circus Rob.
What?
No, Circus Rob.
Did you just hear that?
Yes, I did!
It sounds like their house is about to crash. Tapping on the window, they're stalkers.
Walking on away to my